Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV, and today we are reporting from Panama City, Panama, and we just checked into the Ramada Plaza Panama Punta Pacifica. There it is. And yeah, it was a little bit of an experiment because I literally booked this hotel for one night at it was like 11:15 a.m. in the morning, and just literally walked across the street and tried to check in at 11:30. As you guys know, check-in time is typically at 3 p.m. So 11:30 a.m. is really early to check in, and he wasn't even able to find my reservation for a while. But at the end of the day, good service, good check-in experience. Yeah, and I was able to check in. They had a room available, very helpful, very friendly. So this is room number 614, 614. It's yeah, it's a nice part of town. And as far as the hotel is concerned, like the first impression is definitely positive. Wi-Fi is easy to access. There's no passwords, no names, no room numbers, none of that. The lobby is very nice and modern and clean. Air conditioning is definitely working well here too. As far as the room is concerned, it seems to be a nice room. It feels spacious. The only thing that's throwing me off is the laminate flooring. So that's the first thing I noticed when I walked in is the laminate flooring, which I find very strange. I find that to be very strange in a place like Panama with the humidity and the tropical climate here. Breakfast is included, so I'm looking forward to complimentary breakfast. Yeah, the laminate flooring doesn't make a lot of sense to me. It's a huge window here, and yeah, there's actually even an ocean view and a pool view. Look at that. Pool view. It's not a big pool. For some reason, it looks way bigger on online, and then yes, here you have ocean views. Pretty cool. Can't complain about this view. This is Punta Pacifica. It's a nice couch. I would say that's a bit of a stain, but I'm not going to complain too much about that one. So yeah, so far so good. Whoever made the decision to put laminate, to install laminate here, I have no clue, but other than that, so far so good. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Guru TV for more travel-related videos from all over the world. Comment if you have been here before, if you have stayed here at this hotel before. And if not, please let me know what other hotels I should check out in Panama City. Thank you. Buen día. Adiós.